Bitcoin Halving and 2026 Price Prediction Expert Predictions vs. Reality, will Bitcoin hit $100,000? This is the question dominating global finance right now. Welcome back to Burhan Finance and Investment. Today, we aren't just talking about a price pump. We are diving into a mathematical certainty that happens only once every 4 years, the Bitcoin halving. With the 2026 predictions rolling in from top analysts, are we on the verge of the biggest wealth transfer in history, or is the hype overblown? Stay tuned as we break down the expert data and the strategy you need to survive the volatility. Part 1. What is the Bitcoin halving? First, let's simplify the halving. Think of Bitcoin like digital gold. Unlike paper money, which governments can print endlessly, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million. To keep it scarce, the amount of new Bitcoin entering the market is cut by 50% every 4 years. Why it matters? It creates a supply shock. If demand stays the same or grows while the new supply is cut in half, the price historically goes up. The track record. Look at the history. After the 2012, 2016, and 2020 halvings, Bitcoin saw massive bull runs. For example, after 2020, Bitcoin went from roughly $8,000 to an all-time high of $69,000 within a year. Part 2. 2026 Price Predictions and Expert Insights. So, the million-dollar question, is $100,000 realistic for 2026? Global financial giants seem to think so. Institutional adoption. Unlike previous cycles, the big money is here. With Bitcoin ETFs, companies like BlackRock are buying thousands of Bitcoins for their clients. The numbers. Standard Chartered. Analysts have projected that Bitcoin could reach $150,000 by late 2025 or early 2026. ARK Invest Cathie Wood. Their long-term bull case suggests Bitcoin could even hit $1 million by 2030, making $100,000 a pit stop along the way. The analysis. By 2026, the market will be feeling the full effect of the supply crunch. If the global economy remains stable, $100,000 is no longer a dream, it's a data-driven target. Part 3. Risks and reality check. However, at Burhan Finance, we stay balanced. Crypto is not a one-way street to riches. You must consider these risks. Volatility. Bitcoin can drop 20-30 in a single day. Can your nerves handle that? Regulation. Governments are still figuring out how to tax and control digital assets. Sudden policy changes can shake the market. The macro picture. High interest rates or global conflicts can drive investors away from risky assets like Bitcoin and back into cash or gold. 5. Summary and strategic advice. To wrap it up, the 2026 outlook for Bitcoin is incredibly strong. But here is my professional advice. Education first. Never invest in what you don't understand. The disposable rule. Only invest what you can afford to lose. This isn't a gamble. It's a calculated move. Think long-term. HODL. Don't get distracted by the daily noise. Focus on where the world is going in the next 5 to 10 years. 6. Sign off. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. Do you believe Bitcoin will hit $100,000 by 2026? Let me know your price prediction in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Burhan Finance and Investment for more deep dives into the global economy and personal wealth strategies. I'll see you in the next video. Stay invested.